All right, folks. I'm sure most of you have by now watched the Why I Quit Airstream video. If you haven't, go watch that video because yes, I did quit my job at Airstream of Greensboro and co-founded Ramble Trailerworks. So it's a unique partnership, and this is Jonathan, my partner. I met Jonathan through Brad, so I'm blaming Brad for all of this. But Jonathan kind of was a few months ahead of me with the idea of starting a Airstream-focused service center that can give the attention to detail and the quality that Airstreams deserve when it comes to service. And so Brad kind of got us connected, which then turned into us meeting and me flying out to Texas. Laura and I flew out to Texas. We met him and his wife and his family. I actually slept in his guest room, which is weird because at that point I barely knew the guy, but we know each other really well now. I can say he's a good guy. And so I just want to kind of, in this video, I'm going to talk about what we're doing in North Carolina, but I also want to introduce you to Jonathan because you're going to see him in a lot of our videos. Brad's got a video on 13 Adventures that goes into a lot of detail about the partnership and kind of what we're doing. So make sure you kind of go over and check out his video as well. But I wanted to introduce you to Jonathan, and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about what we're doing in North Carolina too. But anything you want to say?
No, I mean, it's just super exciting. Already got a pretty full shop here. So, yeah, if you're in if you're nearby Texas and want to come check us out, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.
Yeah, and with us having two shops, so we have Texas and North Carolina, you can come to Texas and get the Ramble treatment. And you can also come to North Carolina. So if you're in the North Carolina area, you don't have to go to Texas. You can come down to North Carolina and then vice versa. So that's a pretty cool thing. So I'm posting this on Chad's RV Reviews, but if you haven't already done so, you need to go over to Ramble Trailerworks YouTube page, which I'll link down below, and follow that as well. Subscribe to that channel because we're going to be posting a lot of content of what we're doing, the builds we're doing, the upgrades we're doing, so you can see what's possible and kind of what we're doing. So, All right, you guys hang out for a second. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about North Carolina, but I'm going to let Jonathan get back to work.
Cool.
Because he's got a lot of people to talk to.
Awesome. Thanks.
So I'm sitting here in our Texas location here in North Lake, Texas at the Ramble. You can see the sign back there. This is actually the kind of main office for Ramble, Texas. And there's a desk over there. I've been sitting here the last couple of days working. And I just want to talk about what we're doing and why. So I mentioned in the video Why I Quit Airstream that we were going to start something. We're going to start a service center, and we're very much in the process of doing it. We have a location secured. We're just kind of working out insurance and all of the things that goes in with starting a business. And I'll be honest with you, starting the business is not for the faint of heart. There's a lot to it, and I guess you don't know unless you do it. Because I knew it was going to be difficult. I had I did not think it wouldn't be difficult. I knew it was going to be difficult, but I didn't know how difficult it would be. And it's very difficult. Like, we've got a lot of stuff set up. We've done a lot in 2 months. Our hope is to be open, to have the shop open January 1st, as long as we can get everything worked out. Mainly right now, our biggest hiccup is insurance. So we're working all those out. We're working that out as well. But we're going to be open hopefully in January. We'll be in Kernersville is the plan right now. It's at the heart of the Triad and just really kind of the heart of North Carolina. And I think it's going to be a great spot. Now, I'm not going to tell you exactly where it's at yet because we're not there. We're working on it. But that's kind of the area that's going to be in the Kernersville area, North Carolina, and kind of central. And our goal is to do, your general service. We're going to do all of your solar and power upgrades, which is what we're doing here in Texas. Your maximum skylights, your clear glass, all of those kind of customizations that make your Airstream yours and unique to you. We're going to be able to do that. And then, if you have a refrigerator not working, air conditioner not working, we'll be able to look at that stuff too. Now, we're not Airstream. We're not an Airstream dealership. We're an independent shop. So we're not doing warranty work at either location because you have to be a Airstream dealer to be able to do warranty work. So you still need to go, if you're under warranty and you want to have something worked on and covered under warranty, definitely go back to your Airstream dealership that you got it from, or an Airstream dealership, and have them do the warranty work. You can always go back to the factory. You can go to the service center at the factory with Airstream and have warranty work done there. But once you get outside of warranty, you have some things that need to be worked on, fixed, taken care of. We can put rivets in. We're not doing full body work right now, but if you need a rivet filled on the inside or the outside, we can take care of that. So that's our plan. That's what we're going to do. Now, let me just tell you kind of my goal and passion with the shop. So I've been in the industry, the RV industry, and a lot of you probably know this already, but I've been in the RV industry pretty much my whole life. I was born into it. My grandfather started a RV dealership, not Airstream, but an RV dealership in the North Carolina area back in 1951. And my family has been a part of RV in that lifestyle our whole lives, my whole life. And I grew up in it, and I worked pretty much in our shop, our dealership. This is Bill Hillman's RV World. I worked in most areas that you can work in. So from weeding and mowing to cleaning them, doing detail, to some light service work and parts, and in the admin side with marketing and IT, and then eventually in sales and a sales manager, finance manager, like pretty much the whole, like I got to touch everything. And then a couple of years ago, about 4 or 5 years ago, my uncle, who owned the dealership at the time, decided to sell to Blue Compass. And so he sold the 2 stores that we had under Bill Hillman's to Blue Compass. And that's how I ultimately got to Airstream. With it being inside of Blue Compass and being a part of that organization, I got moved eventually. There's a whole story, but I got moved to Airstream of Greensboro, and that was the first time I ever witnessed what Airstream was. And I didn't really know Airstream at that point because we were big with Winnebago, we were big with Jayco, we were a huge grain design dealer, and that was kind of our focus. But I knew of Airstream. We see them at shows and stuff. And when I moved to Airstream of Greensboro and started working with Airstreams and selling them, I got to do the factory tours and the factory training from a sales standpoint. And Laura, I even took Laura out and we did the factory tour together. We also, we did rallies and stuff. Seeing the quality and the attention to detail that goes into building an Airstream, it hit me in a way that I didn't know that something could hit me. And I think it was like the Americana of it, that there's still a place in our country where they are handcrafting a piece of equipment to sell. And they are trying to the best they can in the 21st century to build a quality vehicle that you can be proud that you own it. And that's how I feel about Airstream. And I feel like you also need to go somewhere, be able to go somewhere that you're going to be proud to have your service done there. So we want to give you another option, and we want to try to treat you in the way that you deserve with owning an Airstream. So things that we're intentionally going to try to do is make sure that we communicate, even when we don't have something to communicate. If we've got your unit at our shop, we're going to keep you updated on where we are in progress. And getting a hold of us, we want to make that much easier to where you can get answers, you can get responses back from us when we're working on your unit. And then the biggest thing I think too is just quality control. Every step of the process, we want to have QC in place so that when we call and we say that, hey, your Airstream is ready for you to go on your next adventure, we have verified and checked to make sure, and we've confirmed that what we fixed is fixed. And when you get to our shop, we're going to show you, hey, it's fixed, it's working. We're showing it to you working. And I really feel like there's some things that we can do that will just make the whole experience with service so much better. And that's going to be our goal. So we are starting Ramble Trailerworks, North Carolina. That shop is owned by me, and then as part of the Ramble partnership, Jonathan will own North Lake here in Texas, but we are a partnership as far as name goes and trade secrets and things like that. So it's really exciting to be able to have something like this. And our goal is ultimately to go outside of these two states and maybe add other shops in other states. And if you have an idea of where you think we should put Ramble number 3, leave that down in the comment. We'd love to hear what you think, where you think we should go next. But right now, our focus is on these 2 shops, getting them up and running, because there's a lot of things we want to do. I want to do ceramic coating. I want to do body work. I want to do custom cabinetry, all those types of things. But we got to start somewhere. So we're going to start right now with the general service, all of your kind of upgrades and everything like that. We can put the lift kits on and all those kinds of things. That's kind of our goal right now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can head over to RambleTrailerworks.com and find all of our contact information there. I'll link everything down below too. But I just want to kind of give you a little bit of an update on where we are and what we're doing. And it's hopefully we're going to change Airstream service for the better for you guys in the Texas area and the North Carolina area. And as we said in the beginning, if you're in the Texas area, come here to Ramble to have your Airstream service. And soon, hopefully January, you'll be able to go to North Carolina and have all your service work done there as well, and have a trusted resource when it comes to service on your Airstream. I hope you guys will live and riveted. We'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.